One team, one family.
You know it, Tinga.
You know how we do it. We're in Bristol right now, though.
Wait, we are in the 24-hour kitchen house, not the Big Brother house.
Yeah, this is 24-hour kitchen house. Yeah,
Okay.
so there's stuff gonna be happening. You don't even know. We don't even know what's gonna happen tonight.
Whoa, people.
Yeah, you can't go hungry and Ringo the ball.
And me and the man them there, the people. You know the camera.
That is it, people. Come on.
Oh, everybody, guess what I go on? I'm here. I'm in Bristol, people, yeah. And guess what? We've got a show tonight. But before the show, guess what? I'm gonna cook a look of food because we've been on the road for quite some hours right now, people, yeah. And look, I got the whole setup here now, people. So we're gonna cook a Ital food today, people, yeah. A good vibes, big up yourself. I'm Ringo Vision. Welcome to 24-hour kitchen, people, yeah. That is it. Good vibes. Oi, listen, people. So guess what's happened now? So I've had to actually bring the kitchen inside, and I'm live direct here with bushcraft. So good vibes, people. Yeah.
Good vibes.
Look, let me just bring you in the house. Look, we're in the house. Oi! Come on, you already know, everybody. Yeah, the all-purpose seasoning mix. If you haven't already got yours, all right, get yours, people. Yeah. Today on the menu we've got some corn, yam, coconut, rice, carrot, okra, pumpkin, onions, tomatoes, potatoes, plantain, green banana, and we're using the all-purpose seasoning mix, people, yeah? You don't know what I go on. Yeah, man. And we have some Scotch bonnet pepper in the bag as well, people, yeah? Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. Remember, we're outside and we're using our portable gas stove. It's lit, fire light, people, yeah? Good vibes. Look where we are. Yeah, man, we're right in the middle of the road. We're right on the roadside, you know. Yeah, man, we're right on the roadside. I cook right, that's for people. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Quick setup. Come on, no joke thing.
All right.
Yes.
So what we are doing today, Ringo?
We're just making a quick vegetable thing, you know. Some boiling some corn, some pumpkin. You don't know what I go on.
Yeah.
Get some strength back into the body car. We're up on the roadside, people.
Come on.
Yeah, man, I'm here with the man them and the man them need to taste some of the good food. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. 24-hour kitchen, we're fully live and direct, active. We're there in Bristol, roadside. You say? Roadside.
Roadside,
Yeah.
they are Bristol.
Ringo Vision.
Big up Ringo Vision.
A good vibe. And me and the man them there, no people. Spin on the camera, let everybody see what I want. Oh, that is it.
That is it, people. Come on.
Ben, it's like a quick thing, you know. This one here is just, you know what I go on? I'm just gonna boil off everything, you know. And there's the one flavour me I create quickly. One quick
I told you, listen, you can't go hungry with Ringo, that what?
Yeah, you can't go hungry and Ringo the ball.
Quick, put
Let me
everything,
tell you that.
put everything in the pot quick.
Okra.
Okay.
Oh, they okra.
So we are cooked today. You're not even telling people we are cooked.
So today, Fen, yeah,
Sir.
we're doing an Ital sip, you know. Yeah, this one is an Ital thing.
Okay.
No meat, no fish. You get me?
Yeah.
Straight vegetable in the thing, you see it?
Good
You see that?
vibes.
Drop hard, scotch bonnet pepper in there from early, you see it, people?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, good vibes, that.
Good
And-
vibes.
And we're put some scallion as well. And we're put some garlic as well, people, yeah? Yeah, we're working with garlic as well today, people, everyone. Good vibes. Oi, listen, people. So guess what's happened now? So I've had to actually bring the kitchen inside, and I'm live direct here with bushcraft. So good vibes, people. Yeah.
Good vibes, good
Look,
vibes.
let me just bring you in the house. Look, we're in the house. Oi, we're cooking.
You got a cup of tea in that Ringo, look.
Huh?
I didn't get none of it.
Fen,
I want one.
welcome to 24-hour kitchen.
Thank you, everyone, 24-hour kitchen for watching. My name is Fen. Big up Ringo. Big up M Dot. Big up Bass.
Yes.
Big me up. One team, one family.
You know it,
You
Tinga.
know how we do it. We're in Bristol right now, though.
Wait, we are in the 24-hour kitchen house, not the Big Brother house.
Yeah,
the
this is 24 kitchen house. Yeah,
look.
So there's stuff gonna be happening. You don't even know. We don't even know what's gonna happen tonight.
Oi,
Let me
people.
mention.
All right, so look, as we said earlier, yeah, we're cooking a vegetable soup, people, yeah?
You don't have
a good
to
vibes,
veg.
a good vibes, a good vibes. Oi! Welcome to 24-hour kitchen.
Hey,
Good vibes.
Man like K Sims.
All day.
Man like
Good vibes.
Raw Checks.
Good vibes.
Come check out the kitchen, we're cooking, you know. We're cooking. Look, yeah, we're cooking.
So you got here and you were like, shit, we didn't wear room short.
It's a good vibes, you know.
Apparently
Good vibes.
so.
Yo!
This is our.
People, 24-hour kitchen, we're there now.
So he's like, that means clear it up, boys. Stop talking about bad stuff.
Basically,
He wants a grape.
with grapes.
Because you know what it is? It's that kind of fuckery. Excuse my language. It's a grape off. Yeah?
I can take you to my room. I'm
I'm
See
grateful.
my room if you want to see my room.
I'm grateful.
Yeah? Welcome to M.3. Consists of Psycho Bunny t-shirt, a polo tracksuit, a new
I'll be schooling.
Stone Night. Oh.
Alright, people.
Everybody, so look, as I said, yeah, I had to bring the kitchen inside. You get me? So I'm good vibes right now. So look, come in and have a look at the pot. And look how everything's bubbling. Mad thing. So look, what I want to show you people, yeah, we can't left out the all-purpose seasoning mix. Woo! So look, I'm going to put some in the lid. So look a bit. Get that one in there, mate. That's it. Yeah, man, big up yourself, people. You don't know what I go on 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. This one is like a vegetable soup here, but it's more about the corn, everybody. We're boiling corn, like a corn soup. Yeah, man, you know about corn soup? Yeah, man, this one's our original corn soup, people, yeah? No joke thing, but we've got the pumpkin, we've got the okra in there. Yeah, man, our good vibes, people, yeah? So we're just gonna make that just go and boil. You understand, people? Yeah, man, our good vibes. So you don't know, say, once the corn boil, yeah, we're gonna take out the corn and start consuming the corn, and then we're gonna peel the yam and put the yam in the pot, people, yeah? Our good vibes, and that's like a next section. 2 sections to this food here, you know. Section 1, corn. Section 2, yam. Section 3, fully eating everything off. Good vibes. Yeah, that's it, carbs.
All-purpose seasoning. Ready, done for you. Order it now.
Look, I had to bring, look, you see this thing here, this is what I invested in, so I got it with me today, people, yeah? So yeah, man, you don't know what I go on, corn soup, I go on, people, yeah? Fully active with there. Yeah, man, and yeah, so me set up a kitchen, you know, people, I don't know, joke thing, you know? Look how me set up a kitchen. Yeah, man. Man, them lie down in the bed, same way, whoa! Yeah, man, a good vibes, man, just set up the kitchen here. Good vibes, you see? Good stuff, you know?
Smells really good.
Yeah. It's all happening in there.
We're going there, a bit of Ringo seasoning.
Yeah.
Ah, beautiful. How long do you reckon it'll be?
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Nice.
Wow, look at this, people. Yeah, man, big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. You don't know what I'm going with there. Corn soup. Just a little broth while we're like outside. You understand, people? Just a little something for the channel, said way. I will keep the thing going. Good vibes.